Hello everyone, I am Fareen Hena and you are watching my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you what are articles. Articles qualify nouns and always appear before nouns. Sometimes articles appear immediately before nouns and at other times they are separated by a few other words. Types of articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. Indefinite articles are a and an. Definite article is the. Indefinite articles a and an does not refer particular noun. A is used before beginning with a constant sound, that is a boy, a bird, before a singular noun beginning, that is a book, a school, a dog, even before vowel letters which don't have vowel sound, that is a unit, a union. Some words start with a vowel letter but begin with a constant sound. So we use a before these words too. That is a uniform, a university. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel, that is an idiot, an apple. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded, that is an honor, an hour, an honest man. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sounds, that is an orange, an umbrella, and I. Definite articles. The is used to refer any particular person, place, or thing. The is used before unique objects, that is the sun, the sky, the moon. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, that is Indus River, Mount Everest. Before the names of books, before the superlative degree, that is the best, the tallest. Before musical instruments, before an adjective to denote a whole class, that is the old, the rich, the poor. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing, that is the sky, the world, the North Pole. Omission of articles. Proper nouns Sarah, Dr. Khan. Continents, countries and cities Africa, Indonesia. Days and months Friday, March. Languages and subjects Spanish, history. Meals breakfast, lunch, dinner. Illnesses, paralysis. Planets, Saturn, Pluto. I hope viewers that this video was useful for you. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.